Hello and welcome to Law Seco. Let's talk about the top 10 news development of the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. The state of Rajasthan will become the first ever Indian state to have a 10-year-long action plan for road safety in place. The purpose of this action plan is to cut down the number of road accidents to nearly 50% by the year 2030. Now from Rajasthan, let's travel to the east of India and talk about Nagaland. Nagaland has been adjudged as the best state for horticulture practices at the Agriculture Leadership Awards 2024. Now from east, let's travel to the coast, the Kerala coast. So here, the scientists at the Zoological Survey of India, they've made a new discovery of a dogfish shark species. The newly discovered species is called Squalus hema and the discovery has taken place off the coast of Kerala. Now I'm sure आप सबने अंबानी wedding जरूर attend करी होगी, of course vicariously through your social media. So let's talk about Jio Financial Services. The Reserve Bank of India has given Jio Financial Services an approval to convert from a non-banking financial company to a core investment company. Next, Qatar has now enabled UPI payment for Indian visitors, which by the way is the largest number of visitors that Qatar experiences from any country every year. क्या आप एक ऐसी सिटी के बारे में जानते हैं जहां पर नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड इज इलीगल? So your answer lies in Palitana, which is a city in the Bhavnagar district of Gujarat where consumption and sale of non-vegetarian food has become illegal. Now with that, let's talk about the international news development of the day. Lahore High Court has finally gotten its first Chief Justice in the form of Justice Alia Neelam. China has retained its top position as the global leader in production of renewable energy and now in a relief for the distressing economic condition of Pakistan. So Pakistan and the International Monetary Fund or the IMF, they've agreed to a $7 billion loan arrangement. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet next time.